Good morning to all. Hope you are all fine in your home. Okay, shall we start our class? We will start our class with a new lesson. Chapter 4, Quadratic Equations. Do you remember this term quadratic? Yes, it is in the second lesson, quadratic polynomial. Quadratic polynomial, and here it is quadratic equations. Both are different. What is a quadratic polynomial? Can you say? The quadratic polynomial is a polynomial which has the degree 2. Degree means what? The highest exponent of a polynomial. Right? That means suppose here it is x cube plus 3x square minus 2x plus 1. Look, which is the highest exponent? 3. This is not a quadratic polynomial. This is a cubic polynomial. Suppose here it is like this, 2x square or 4x square minus x plus 5. What about this one? Here 2 is there, right? That means the highest exponent is 2. Here it is 1, here it is x raised to 0. Means the highest exponent is 2. So this is a quadratic polynomial. Clear? Okay. We will start to write the definition. So first heading, quadratic polynomial. A second degree is called a quadratic polynomial. Do you remember the form? What is the general form of a quadratic polynomial? It is ax square plus bx plus c. So that also you will write. The general form of a quadratic polynomial is p of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, and what we can say about ABC? ABC are real numbers where A, B, C are real numbers. And one more condition. What is the condition? A should not be equal to 0. Means if A is equal to 0, what happens? It will be 0 into x square. So this second degree polynomial will not be there. It will be 0 only. 0 into x square, it will be 0. So only bx plus c will be there. That is a linear polynomial. So it won't be a quadratic polynomial if you put a is equal to 0. That's why they are telling that it is a not equal to 0. So these are things you have to remember. Quadratic polynomial we have studied in second lesson, and you have to remember like this, it is a second degree polynomial. Degree means highest exponent. Clear? So the highest the polynomial which has the highest exponent as 2, that polynomial is called as quadratic polynomial. And the form is ax square plus bx plus c. Clear? And the condition is a should not be equal to 0 and a, b, c are real numbers. Clear? Now we will start the quadratic equations. Quadratic equations. Equations means what? Equations should have one equal sign. Clear? So a quadratic equation is quadratic. We are thinking about ax square plus bx plus c. So ax square plus bx plus c. Quadratic polynomial, it is ax square plus bx plus c. Then when it is equation means equal to 0, then it is called quadratic equations. The form is quadratic polynomial, then equal to 0. If you write means it will be quadratic equations. Equation means always there should be equal sign. Clear? Okay, we'll write now. When we equate the quadratic polynomial to 0, then it is called a quadratic equation. Then what is the form? The general form of a quadratic equation is, what you can write? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, where a, b, c are real numbers, and one more condition, what is it? And a should not be equal to 0. This is the thing you have to remember. Quadratic polynomial ax square plus bx plus c, and the equation, quadratic equation means ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We will write some examples. Examples for quadratic equations. 2x square plus 4x minus 1 equal to 0. What is a, b, c? A is equal to 2, coefficient of x square. What is b? B is equal to 4. What is c? C is equal to -1. Clear? Now next example, this is example A. Second example, x square minus 2x plus 3 equal to 0. Equal to 0 should be there always. So a is equal to what? Here there will be 1. Coefficient of x square is 1. Then coefficient of x will be b. So it will be -2. Then c is the constant term. So 3. Clear? This is the first question for you. Check whether the following are quadratic equations. And the question is 2 into x plus 5 the whole square equals 2x square minus 3x plus 2. Here just look, 2 into bracket is there, and then 2x square minus 3x plus 2. What you have to find out? You have to find out after expanding and after solving, will you get a quadratic equation? That is the question. So when we are finding out, now look here, it is a quadratic equation, it is square is there. Here when you expand, you will get the square. Don't assume like that. First you expand. Okay. Here 2 into x plus 5 the whole square. This is a plus b the whole square. So even if you don't know, means just write here in your working column, a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now here we will do 2 into a square. Here it is, a is x, b is 5. So a square means x square plus 2ab, 2 into a means x, b means 5, plus b square, it is 5 square, equals, same thing I am going to write here, 2x square minus 3x plus 2. So here we have to close this bracket. Now again what you have to do? Yeah, we have to solve. 2 into x square plus 2 into 5, 10x plus 25 equals 2x square minus 3x plus 2. Clear? Again what we can do? You have to multiply this 2. So just multiply to each one. 2 into x square, 2x square plus 2 into 10, 20x plus 2 into 25, 50 equals 2x square minus 3x plus 2. Now the thing you have to remember that if any terms are same with the numbers, with the variables, with the exponents and with the sign, in both the sides means you can cancel. What I told you, if same number with the same variables and with the same exponents, with the same sign, then you can cancel. What is the meaning is that here 2x square is there. When you are taking this 2x square to this side, what happens? It will be minus 2x square. So 2x square minus 2x square, what happens? It will be cancelling. So no need to take this one to the other side, because it is the same number, same variable, same exponent and with the same sign. Here it is positive, here then you can cancel. If the sign changes or exponent or anything changes, please don't do it. Take all the things to the left hand side. Clear? Or any side, any one side you can take. Okay, balance now. It is 20x plus 50, then minus 3x come to here, it will be plus 3x, then plus 2 come to here, it will be minus 2, and what is the balance then? Equal to everything come to this side, so it will be 0. Now you have to find out, like the 20x plus 3x, it is 23x, then 50 minus 2, it is 48 plus 48 equal to 0. Just look, it is a quadratic equation. Which is the highest exponent or which is the degree? Here only x raised to 1 is there. So it won't be a quadratic equation. So what you have to write is, this is not in the form of, so it is not of the form, which form? Ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Clear? Just expand it and then find out whether is it in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. If it is in that form, means just write it as a quadratic equation. Otherwise, you have to write like this. Okay, you have to write like this. This is the second question. X square plus 1 by x square equals 2. So what you have to do? You have to solve it and find out whether it is quadratic equation or not. How will you solve it? I will just show two methods. Which one you prefer, that you can write. Now look, method 1. Already you know, x square plus 1 by x square equals to 2. Already you know how to find out. What do you do? Just cross multiply. X square into x square, it is x raised to 4 plus 1, the whole divided by x square equals 2. Then what you will do? Just take the multiplication to other side. So it will be x raised to 4 plus 1 equals 2x square. Write in order then. Take this 2x square to this side. Take this 2x square to this side. So here it is x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 1. Plus 1 is here itself. And then balance it will be equal to, here nothing is there, so equal to 0. Just check it out, you will get the answer, x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 1. Okay, method 2. X square plus 1 by x square equals 2. Now, actually when it fraction comes, means sometimes it will be difficult for us. So what you can do is, you can cancel that fraction. Means you can cancel this denominator. How it will be? If it is into x square comes means x square and this x square you can cancel, right? When it is into 1 by x square into x square means we can cancel. Clear? So what we can do then? You have to multiply x square with this full equation and here also. Both the sides you have to multiply. You cannot multiply with one term because this is full. This is a family. You are just multiplying x square with this full family x square plus 1 by x square. And one more thing you have to remember. Here equal sign is there. Whatever things you are doing in one side, same thing you have to do it in the other side also. Whatever you are doing in the left hand side, same thing you have to do it in the right hand side also. So 2 into x square. Clear? Here you what you did? Just you multiplied x square with this full term. Means this side itself you are done. Right? Same thing you have to do there also. Now how will you do then? X square into x square. Just remove the bracket. X square into x square it is x raised to 4. Then x square plus x square into 1 by x square equals 2x square. If you understand means don't need to write this step. You do it in your mind. So x square and x square cancelled. X raised to 4 plus it is 1 is there, right? Equals 2x square. Now what you should do? Make it in order. So it will be x raised to 4 minus 2x square plus 1 equal to 0. Same answer you will get. When you just cancel, you have to remember there will be 1. Okay. So that you have to write it here. When you feel not write it. Here just look, both of the answers are same. What is the thing you have to do? What you have to answer? Only need to find out this one. No. What is the answer? Check whether they are quadratic equations or not. Find out the highest degree here. It is 4. Here also it is 4. Highest exponent is 4. So, this will not be in the form of ax square plus bx plus c and it is not a quadratic equation. The given question is not a quadratic equation. That you have to write. It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is, this is also equation because there is an equal sign. The given equation is not a quadratic equation. Any one method you can do, but you have to understand both the methods. Now you will do the questions from the textbook. This is exercise number 4.1, fifth question. 2x minus 1 into x minus 3 equals x plus 5 into x minus 1. What you have to do first? You have to solve. So here what you should do? With this 2x you have to multiply to the intersection. So it will be 2x into x minus 3. With this 2x you are going to multiply x minus 3. The next one minus 1. Again you are going to multiply what? X minus 3 with this negative 1. So minus 1 into x minus 3 equals, same thing what you should do. With the 6 you are going to multiply the full bracket. Right? So it will be x into x minus 1. Again what is the next term then? Plus 5 is the plus 5 into x minus 1. Now I have to multiply each one now. 2x into x, it is 2x square minus 2x into 3, 3 into 2, 6x minus 1 into x minus x minus 1 into minus 3, negative into negative positive 1 into 3 is 3 equals x into x square, sorry, x into x, it is x square, x into minus 1, it is minus 1 into x is x, plus 5 into x, 5x, minus 5 into 1, 5. Now, find out any terms with the same exponent, same variable, same number, means same constant. Here minus x is there, minus x is there. Just cancel. Balance 2x square minus 6x plus 3. Then taking this x square to this side, it will be minus x square. Then minus 5x plus 5 equal to 0. Now take like terms 2x square and then minus x square. What is 2x square minus x square? It is 2 minus 1. What is it? 1 x square. Next one, minus 6x minus 5x. Minus 6x minus 5x. What will you get? Minus 11x. So it is minus 11x. So 6x and 5x over. Next one, plus 3 plus 5. It is plus 8 equal to 0. Now look, is it the form of ax square plus bx plus c? Yes. Now look, don't think that it is minus is there, it is not in the form. No, it is a is equal to 1, b is equal to negative 11, c is equal to 8. So it is of the form, what? Of, this is the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given question is, or given equation is, a quadratic equation. This is the answer. Sixth question, x square plus 3x plus 1 equals x minus 2 the whole square. So here nothing to expand this left hand side. You have to expansion, you have to do it only in right hand side. Which law it is? It is a minus b the whole square equals a square minus 2ab plus b square. Okay, we'll start now. Here it is x square plus 3x plus 1 equals a square, it is x square minus 2ab, 2 into a is x, b is 2. Some of you will take it this negative also. Don't take it, it is a minus b the whole square. This minus is that minus. So only here b is plus. Here it is plus b square, that means 2 square. Again it will be x square plus 3x plus 1 equals x square minus 2 into 2, 4, 4x plus 4. What you have to do now? Find out whether anything is same as the exponent, as the variable with the sign on the both sides. So here x square is there, x square is there. We can cancel. Balance 3x plus 1, then minus 4x come to here, it will be plus 4x plus 4 becomes minus 4 equal to 0. Then take like terms 3x plus 4x, 7x plus 1 minus 4, it is minus 3 equal to 0. Now what can you say? Is it a quadratic equation? No. Why? It is not in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0 because there is no exponent as 2. The highest degree is or highest exponent is 1 only. So what you can write? It is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given equation is not a quadratic equation. Okay. This is the 7th question. X plus 2 the whole cube equals 2x into x square minus 1. Here identity is there, a plus b the whole cube. What can you say? A plus b the whole cube is equal to a cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square plus b cube. Right? So according to this we have to expand. Here this is a, here it is b. So a plus b the whole cube, a cube means x cube plus 3a square b. So 3x square into 2 plus 3ab square, 3 into a is x, b square means 2 square plus b cube, it is 2 cube equals 2x into x square minus 1. So we will do it here itself. What is 2x into x square? It is 2x cube minus 1 into 2x, it is 2x. 2x into x square, it is 2x cube minus 1 into 2x, 2x minus 2x. Okay, we'll do it here. X cube plus 3 into 2, 6x square plus 3 into 4, 12x plus 2 cube, it is 8 equals 2x cube minus 2x. Can you cancel anything? No. So we can take RHS to LHS. X cube plus 6x square plus 12x plus 8 minus 2x cube plus 2x equal to 0. Now x cube minus 2x cube, what will I get? Here 1 is there, here minus 2. 1 minus 2 minus 1 x cube, that means minus x cube. Then again 6x square and nothing else. So only plus 6x square is there. 12x plus 2x. So 12x plus 2x is 14x. Balance plus 8 equal to 0. So it is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. What is the reason? Because here it is highest exponent is 3. Right? The degree is 3. We want only the degree as 2. So what we can write then? It is not of the form ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. And what we can write then? Therefore the given equation is not a quadratic. This is the 8th question. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals x minus 2 the whole cube. Here left hand side no problem, everything is clear. But in the right hand side it is one identity is there. What is that identity? A minus b the whole cube. What is a minus b the whole cube? A minus b the whole cube equals a cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b. You have to learn all these identities from the 9th standard. So this we have to learn. So a minus b the whole cube. So we have to expand this right hand side. X cube minus 4x square minus x plus 1 equals x minus 2 the whole cube. Instead of a, it is x. So x cube minus 3 into x square into b is 2 plus 3 into x into 2 square minus 2 cube. X cube minus 4x square minus 6 plus 1 equals x cube minus 3 into 2, 6x square plus 3 into 4, 12x minus 2 cube is 8. Just find out everything is same. X cube is same. So it will be negative 4x square minus x plus 1 equals negative 6x square plus 12x minus 8. Take the right hand side to the terms of right hand side to the left hand side. So 4x square minus 6 plus 6x square minus 12x plus 8 equal to 0. Take the right terms together. Here 4x square minus 4x square plus 6x square. So it is 2x square. Minus 6 minus 12x minus 13x. Plus 1 plus 8 plus 9 equal to 0. So what can you say? It is in the form of quadratic equation. So it is of the form of ax square plus, it is in the form of ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Therefore, the given question is, or given equation is a quadratic equation. So just to expand it, you will get the answer. So it is the 8th question completed now. Now next topic is factorization of the quadratic equation using the splitting the middle term. That will continue in the next video.